BRAF gene mutation is found in approximately 50% of cutaneous melanomas. The most frequent mutations are BRAF v600E and BRAF v600K mutations. This is called the MAP kinase pathway, and it is important for our cell development, proliferation, and growth. As you can see in this pathway, we have several genes. We have the RAS, and then BRAF, and then MEK, and then ERK. And the downstream signaling will go to the nucleus, and it just tells our cell to proliferate, and it helps us grow. In melanoma, and approximately 50% of melanomas, we could see a BRAF v600 mutation. You see the BRAF in green in this pathway, and when that gene gets mutated, it acts like an engine. And that engine leads to downstream signaling, and it sends signal to the cell to proliferate more and make more cells. So when that mutation happens in the melanoma cell, we end up having a very aggressive melanoma that proliferates fast, and it leads to a significant increase in cell growth. The BRAF melanoma is a type of melanoma that also can spread to the brain. So how do we test for that BRAF gene? Well, we send the melanoma tissue for next gene sequencing. Why it's important? And as I said, it's important to know the BRAF mutation status. It has a prognostic value. So for example, a BRAF mutated melanoma, I know it's an aggressive melanoma. Knowing about the BRAF mutation for melanoma is important because it gives us an idea about the biology of the tumor. As I said, BRAF melanomas typically are a very aggressive melanoma. These are the type of melanoma that go to the brain. Also, knowing about the BRAF mutation, it can give people with melanomas that harbors the BRAF mutation options regarding treatment, targeted therapy. BRAF inhibitors, MEK inhibitors, these drugs can be given to decrease the risk of melanoma recurrence when they are given after surgery for stage 3 and 4 melanoma, but also they can be important drugs to be used to treat stage 4 disease, especially when immunotherapy doesn't work or stops working.